Hello everyone, here's your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, May 15th. Mostly dry conditions, at least for a few days, and we'll be on the edge of a ridge of high pressure, at least briefly, and then the pattern, as it settles in, we do get kind of windy the next few days, especially starting tomorrow. Around the edge of that ridge and on as that low settles in across the area, there could still be a few showers and storms around, mainly along the divide, the Wyoming border. The real precipitation chances don't really pick back up again until we get into the weekend. Satellite shows we have northwest flow over the area. We've had a few showers continuing with this little wave moving through this morning, and those showers should linger through at least mid-morning in a few parts of eastern Idaho. Otherwise, most of the moisture falls kind of on the edges the next couple of days, but that northwest flow continues. And actually, with the northwest flow continuing in that next wave coming across the divide over going into tomorrow and Friday, that's when that's the impetus for the winds picking up across the area. And you'll notice we don't have many impacts until we get to Friday with that wind. And again, it's going to be downright windy in some places across the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley and South Hills for a good chunk of the day, and even into the overnight hours on either side of that. We go through that. Then we remain breezy. There's a better chance of storms coming in, especially we get into Sunday and Monday as that low settles in across the western U.S. And it looks like that system will be sticking around for a few days. Those winds for today, generally out of the northeast, maybe a little choppy on American Falls for today, but nothing, doesn't look like terribly impactful there. Maybe a brief period early on this morning. Otherwise, those winds don't get much stronger for this afternoon. Some spots will see a gust over 20 miles per hour. And temperature-wise today, we do rebound about 5 to 10 degrees across the board, with some 70s returning in the lower elevations for afternoon highs. And for tonight, the winds during the day today are northeasterly, and they kind of start switching later on today. And for this evening and overnight, those winds become more terrain-driven in the mountains still, but more out of the west and southwest across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. And we'll see a little uptick in wind in a few spots. Temperatures for tomorrow, we continue to rebound. Might see some low 80s over in the Magic Valley and the Treasure Valley, and even around Chalice and Salmon as well. So a warm day tomorrow and a warm start as well. But you'll notice those winds actually increase tomorrow evening into Friday. So it'll be breezy tomorrow, some of those gusts over 30, but we see some more 35 to 45 mile an hour gusts tomorrow night into Friday morning. And temperatures with that system dropping in on Friday, pretty warm in the morning. We do back temperatures off quite a bit in the afternoon with a little bit of cloud cover, and the pattern kind of trying to push a little bit cooler area in, at least briefly, for Friday. And look at those winds. We'll see some gusts in many areas above 50 miles per hour. And there's a pretty good chance across portions of the Snake Plain and Magic Valley we'll see gusts over 55 and even 60 miles an hour across portions of the lava beds and the Arco Desert. So a little bit higher than what we've got in the official forecast for now. Just know that Friday is going to be a very windy day across our area. And then temperatures on Saturday and Sunday, we're kind of up and down as we get a couple of waves moving across the area, which is mainly impacting cloud cover and temperatures for the weekend across our area. So once again, we do have a few showers around this morning. Mostly dry conditions heading the weekend. Any shower activity really hangs up along the Divide, Montana border, down along the Wyoming border. But the pattern gets breezy starting tomorrow, and Friday looks to be pretty stout wind-wise across our area. Have a great day, and do stay safe out there, everyone.